and I'm feeling
join us in a auto rickshaw, fully loaded actually. Today we are 3 men on a mission. We have 3 hours of light and we are going towards Uttar Kazirpara to build the household water filter together with them. And them are the people of the village, of course. So yeah.
It's a bit of a challenge. There's only 3 hours of light left, and pretty sure it's also about to storm fairly soon. But we're up for the challenge, and we've each given ourselves 3 different tasks to work on individually. And as soon as we get there, we say hello, we just go, 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 and see what we can do.
Let's hit it! Material is here. There you go. So Tonmoy, you take the frame.
No,
Mr. Ford, okay, the water container, and now we go with the small one. Okay? Let's go. Less light than expected and rain is coming. Yeah.
Teamwork.
Done. Done. How much time did it take you? Half an hour, not even. Update, Mr. Ford.
I'm just currently sewing bamboo sticks to this old cement bag, and then that will be wrapped around the larger bottle and then sit in the top shelf of the water filter.
Looks neat.
Yeah.
Very good.
Nice. So technically not sewing, just like, yeah, tying knots, but it seems to keep everything in place quite well.
Nice. 1 piece, 2 pieces to be fixed with the metal wire. Ready? My carry it in. Tack. Corner piece in. Corner piece in. Oh no. Ooh, very clean. Boriskan. So when you have to detach it from here.
We're ready to try it. I hope you're ready.
So filter is ready. Tonmoy, you have the honor. First time. There you go. First water. Tonmoy, why don't you say what you just told me on camera?
Okay, we have just done so many works in just less than 3 hours. We set up all the filtration system along with the frames and the pipings and pour the sand and the side, the bar carriers, everything, cut the pipes, everything in just less than 3 hours, and I think it's a great success for us. Good luck to you.
Very good. Well said. So everything is installed. Tomorrow we are gonna be back for testing the water properly. Meanwhile, we keep on running our testing in the guest house.
Yep.
To the next one.
That is. See you.